Hey guys, welcome. So we are on our way to the museum. Our kids are already sleeping, so even though we're taking it there, but mommy still want to enjoy herself.
Oh yeah.
So this whole trip is not about the kids alone. It's about everybody, the parents are involved. Yeah, so we're going to have fun, living in a house small.
Watch out for more content.
Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Peace. We arrived and we had to get down. That they want to park the car. You don't come in. We got our ticket, and yeah, let the play begin. So well, went into this tunnel. This little boy was so brave to go into this thing. I was so afraid for him. Elon was using the small one, but yeah, they have massive one. And this is just a stairway going all the way up. Well, had enough to go all the way. This little boy is so big. I was getting afraid as a mom, but hey, boys have fun. We have massive fun. Well, wasn't even afraid. He wasn't even looking my way. He was going all the way to the top. I mean to the top. To the top. Yeah. Calm down. Are you free? I see you. Are you having fun? Okay. I'm 10. They're going to the room, eh? See where wealth is. Well, was just exploring everywhere and he found himself into this room, which of course he was afraid of the animals because they had a whole lot of creepy animals like laser, snake, and rabbits, and cockroach. He was afraid. He had to leave this room, so I had to follow him everywhere he goes because I was thinking, guess what? I'm looking over there. He like the animals. Make sure the animals but he had a good time. He enjoyed himself and his brother Elon or Riches, like we call him. He's a quiet guy. He loved to, figure out things by himself. He was on the side. He kind of fell. But yeah, it's all in the place. So he had a great time, even though I was watching him. But yeah, he came over here alone, playing all by himself, trying to, figure out where to go and where next to go and where next to go and where next to go. So I was just, being that mom. You going back? You don't come, let me show you something. I need to have fun, just watching the jungle and see all these beautiful things that they have for having kids. And this place were in as a museum for kids. So if you somewhere for the summer, this is going to jump. There you go. So check it out. There's a lot of things for the children. Stay tuned, don't go away. This was another place where the children go. It was just a a build up something where they go and stand there, but then the projector projects like a fish river, like a river. It's going to project the sea, like they're swimming. So it was very, very amazing. It was so beautiful to watch, as you can see, and I really enjoy it. You know, I love watching it. This is where they were standing on this thing, and then the projector is projecting them on something else. And Daddy also came to play. He was acting like he was swimming. That was so funny. But we all had fun, guys.
Now what is it?
Don't turn the wheel.
Oh, well.
That's it right there. Oh, pode ver lá. Oh, okay.
Little hands helping every time, teaching lessons you can't always read. Faith, love, patience, that's what we believe. Growing closer in a special place, through the highs and even through the lows. We stick together, that's the way it goes. Every smile, every tear, we're just grateful to be here. Where the reefs, yeah, this is our life. Love, laughter, joy, and a little bit of strife. From homeschooling days to outside play, making memories in every single way. Where the reefs come along and see. This is love, this is family. It's the little things we do that make this life so true. Every hug, every cheer, we got everything right here. Where the reefs, yeah, this is our song. Where everybody knows they belong. Through every season, come what may, we'll keep shining every day. We're the reefs, this is who we are.
Where is it?
Together, that's our
You
story.
got what?
Yeah, this is family. The Reeves legacy.
Woo! Daddy is making magic. Well, come here. Yay! Babe, I will eat it over here. Where you going? Let's go back. Come back. So we are going home now. Yay! We're all the way home.
Oh, what was in here? Let me take my bucket.
Woo. Everybody get in. Get on board, get on board. Everybody get on board. Yes? Huh? Your jacket? My mommy wear. Okay, we wear jacket. Mommy, my jacket. Mommy, my jacket. Hold on. They put inside, we pass on last.
I think you find that pulling out.
Okay,
Yeah, because I sat on the road. I want to take away. Let me hold it in.
there you go. Get in, baby. Take your jacket. Yeah. Yeah, hold this one. Oh! There you go. Oof. Everybody want their jacket. Mommy, my jacket. Hold on. Yeah.
Ain't that recording, yeah?
Yeah, recording you. There you go. Oh. Yeah, what happened? Oh. Yes, we have fun today, guys. Oh, Mahita. Thanks for watching. Catch you again another time. Daddy, let me get in the car now. Daddy, the last to get in the car. You gotta make sure everybody is safe. There you go. Now that it's in the car, everybody is safe. Yep, we have fun.
Yeah, we have fun.
The kids have fun. Let's take this thing.
So you guys?
Is that what you read? Okay. Okay. It's time to eat some Burger King. Want ketchup?
Yeah, go for it. Ching.
Chicken nuggets. Leave it, you know.
Đây còn bây giờ mình đi xin này.
Sit down, Will. Sit down. You done? Is that a chicken nugget?
You want to catch up on your over here? I tried taking it over there, but they're not coming from this.
That's it, no?
Oh, I'm going to be more. I did it.
Let me put it out here. Well, I'll sit down. Wow. It's amazing.
It's amazing.
Wow.
Thank you, please.
It's amazing, Will.
Please.
Yeah, look at the movie. I better not come inside. You are partner with another, not giving her a jingle. You don't eat it.